Congratulations on 20 years.
We just want to say thank you to you and Sister Mary Lou for all that you have done for us. You guys have just been incredible pastors. You've been spiritual mentors in our life, and we appreciate you pouring into us and investing in our lives and in our ministry. We just want to tell you how much we love you and how much we appreciate you. You guys have been so much more than just our pastors. You've been our family and our friends. You've been with us and helped us through so many ups and downs in our lives, and we just appreciate your prayers and your strength and just for having confidence in us. And we're so excited for y'all, and congratulations on an incredible 20 years of ministry at Scottsville.
I just want to say thank you for giving us our first opportunity in ministry and just letting us sit under you and learn from you as a leader and a pastor. Thanks for just welcoming me into the family and just for making me feel a part and making Scottsville feel like home. We miss you guys, and we love you so very much. And Jonah also has been trying to talk because he wants to say hello and that he loves you guys.
We love you guys.
Love
Congratulations.
You.